everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely beautiful 1965 Ford Mustang K-Code fastback, guys. Killer car. Previous owner owned this car since 1994. Sent it out to Thoroughbred Mustangs and had this restoration done. It is a rotisserie restoration. They actually end up using a Dynacorn body, so no rust in the car. It's a brand new Dynacorn body. It's epoxy, or not epoxy, oxidized primer floorboards. You can see the car's finished in raven black. He used a lot of the original parts. You're going to see some little scratches in the windshield. It's your original car light glass. He used a lot of little trim pieces. He actually used off the original car when he had it restored. But beautiful car, gorgeous paint. If there's one knock on it, car was restored. It has not been wet sanded and wheeled, so you could definitely do that. This car would be like glass. But gorgeous car, black on black. You can see it's got the 14-inch style wheels on it. Really nicely done car. Runs and drives excellent. And like I say, zero rust. Again, this stuff's original. I replaced a couple of little things. Like I say, these are new Ford emblems. But like I say, when you look at some of the trim, he actually used some original pieces on the car. Pretty car, man. It's like I say, good, solid, straight body. If you're going to do anything to it, like I say, you might cut and buff it or wet sand it and wheel it, whatever you want to call it. But nice car. Pretty car. Missed a little. This is new. Again, I replaced a couple parts on it. I kept some of the original pieces and put it in the trunk here. That's something, I'm not sure what that is. Pretty car though, man. BF Goodrich Radial TA is all the way around it. 14-inch factory style wheels. Again, the bottom of the car is as nice as the top. It's all oxidized primer. Of course, these cars came factory with front disc brakes. Again, original K-Code car. It's got the warranty block, which is a Mexican replacement block on it. I'll make sure I get the numbers on it. If you do any research, all the replacement blocks on the K-Codes were Mexican blocks. It's got the HiPo carburetor on it. Stock intake and exhaust manifolds, HiPo camshaft on it. It's got the HiPo crank in it, the HiPo engine mounts. They're different than the factory ones. Can you see that? Man, like I say, beautiful car. Manual steering, manual disc brakes, the way it came. They're pretty much, you know, just like you see them. They're pretty much bone stock horsepower cars. Chrome air cleaner, chrome valve covers, that's about the only frills. Sorry, you can see our wax in there. thing about black, boy, you gotta have a little, the little brushes, man. They go a long ways. Now these are original. So again, you can pick them, original glass in there. Obviously that's a replacement. Looks like they've replaced the door handles. That is a replacement tag. New door pads, new carpet, new front seats, rear seats original. Again, these are all new, padded and refoamed. I replaced a little horn thing. Matter of fact, it's a little loose. We're gonna have to adjust that. It's the original fold-down rear seat. Factory dash showing 39,000. They say there's less than 1,000 miles on this car since it was done. Dash pad's nice. Aftermarket AM/FM cassette radio. I think the blower motor we got to check. I don't think we can get that to work. It's got your Hurst shifter in it. Parking brake did work. H-pipe dual exhaust system in it. It's got a brand new traction lock 350 rear gear in it. All new fuel tank. You can see it's clean here again. This is the original horn ring, as well as the original gas cap. Oh, what's this coming off? Sorry, I don't know what it was. Like I say, gorgeous underneath. Take it to a car show and put mirrors underneath it. Just missed a little wipe in there. Got front and rear seat belts. Of course, these cars didn't come standard like that. Yeah, they put their name on the ring. They had that kind of custom made, so if you don't like that, you can actually have another one made up. Beautiful car, man. Solid lift camshaft, you can hear that working. I think everything works up there, except for the oil pressure gauge is on the bottom. You can see the old school oil pressure. Turn signal on? There we go. There's no reverse lights in anything. Get the blower motor come on, radio works.
Blower motor did come on.
It did?
It did when I was driving it earlier. It
okay.
Popped on my feet.
All right. It's just probably not been on for a while. I don't know what happens. Wipers work. And make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through Instagram and our Facebook page. Again, guys, you can subscribe to our YouTube page. That's a great way to keep in touch with us through our Instagram and Facebook. Boy, some red lines would be pretty on that car. A red pinstripe, red stripe at the bottom. Nice.